We got an SZ that has a lot of work. Starting off, we had a little 3.5 millimeter jack was broken, all in little pieces. So we soldered a brand new one. So this is all set, good to go. Put that to the side. Next, we were replacing these. So these pads are very, very dirty and yellowish. And we got some brand new ones right here. So I already cleaned the area. Just gonna go ahead and slide them in. They're beautiful, nice and clean. So here we go. Right now, we gotta take everything out. This whole top, very, very, very time consuming. Okay, right now we're about to remove every single one of these tack buttons, all of them, and replace them with some brand new ones. They're all not functioning. It's gonna take me about 30 minutes to an hour. All right, let's get started. Okay, I pulled out all 10, pain in the butts. So now we're gonna go ahead and add the new ones and solder them in. But yeah, all of them were bad. Shoot. Okay, done soldering all of them. Now we're just gonna clean it. All set. Now we gotta do this one. My God. Yep. All of these. Okay, got all these new buttons done. And we're just gonna cut them. A little excess. Let's see. There we go. Okay. Come on. Okay, all set. Done for tonight. Continue on this. We are doing 3 more. These rest are fine, but these 3 are bad, so we're replacing them. Okay, this side is all completed. This is the left side. Replace every tack switch on this side, every tack switch on this, also here. All were replaced. It was really bad. So now we're gonna do the same thing on the right side, which is when you flip it over, it's on that side. We're gonna take all these boards and replace all of the buttons that are bad. Another big project. Okay, just lifting up the top of this area, you can see how filthy that is. Looked like we had a lot of rodents crawling over there. I'm pretty sure all of them are in the same condition. So this is part of a maintenance. Get your SZ back to normal. Yeah, look how bad that is. Yep. That's why these buttons are not working, because they're all damaged. Let's see this. Oh yeah, same thing. So yeah, we're gonna spend about 2-3 hours, get this area all cleaned up and back to normal. Yep, you can see bad. Yep. Let's get these pads out. We're also replacing this. Pretty filthy. So we're gonna put it next to the other one. We're gonna clean that area, and we have a brand new one. Okay, this is nice and clean, ready to go back. Let's get this pad in there first. I'm also cleaning all these buttons. As you can see, look how filthy they are. That whole area needs to be cleaned. This area is all set and clean and put back together. We're gonna move on to this area next. This is a lot of work. Now we're getting ready for the middle console. So, I've completed this board, all the cleanup, added some UV protection. Had to replace all of these because they were all starting to go bad. So as you can see, a whole bunch of them. I mean, very, very ridiculous, but they were all basically going bad. I mean, look how many I've done. This is a very time-consuming job. After a few days working on this, I'm putting this back together. This is the final piece that I had to clean and replace a bunch of buttons. I mean, insane. But we're going to try to put it back together. It's probably going to take me another 40 minutes, and then we should be able to do some testing. Okay, we finally got everything in there, and we're putting the cover for a test. We are now going to do a full top cleaning so that the top is nice and clean. Okay, we're finally done and we cleaned it. We put everything back together. No knobs are missing. Everything is, you know what I mean? As much as you could do for this type of unit because of its age. So let's power it on. Look at that. See how these pads look nice and bright now? Before they were kind of dull. Yellowish, actually. You can see them right there. Look how yellow they were. So yeah, if you want yours to go back to normal, that's what you got to do, replace them. But yes, everything seems to be working. Everything's lit up. And we are all set. I already tested these buttons. They're good. So we are all set with this repair. Very, very difficult repair. Very time consuming. It took me actually like 4 days. Spending a couple hours each day just to try to get this done.